Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Audacity tutorial. In this video I want to show you how to increase or decrease the volume in Audacity. It's pretty simple to do. For this I made a little test recording and we will listen to a part of it. So I count to 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yada 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 yada. Now in the middle part I want to lower the volume. First I select the section I want to edit, click on Effect and Amplify. Here I set the slider to about -10 dB. If you want to increase the volume, then you just have to move the slider to the right. Now this is bad for the recording because I don't want your ears to explode, so in this case we will lower the volume. Also, when you increase the volume, you have to decide if you want to allow clipping or not. I would turn that off, but it's just my personal preference. At -10 dB, I click OK, and the volume is now reduced. We will take another quick listen. So I count to 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yada yada yada. That all worked out fine, and now we are done with the editing. I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.